Meaning of hunched.
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 Hunched. Hunched means having one's body in a low, bent, or crouched posture. This often implies a lack of confidence or insecurity. Someone who is hunched over may be seen as closed off or guarded. Hunching can also be a result of physical discomfort such as back pain or discomfort from long hours of sitting at a desk. In extreme cases, prolonged hunching can lead to postural abnormalities and other health problems. Therefore, it is important to maintain good posture and seek medical advice if any discomfort persists.